everyone, how are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to draw Pikachu from Pokemon. I will try to share easiest way to draw and hope you will like it. So let's start. First, I decided to draw with a pencil so you can understand it easily and me also. So here I have drawn it roughly and soon I am going to outline it with a pen. Well, I'm thinking that what are we waiting for? Let's outline it. I am going to outline it with this pen.
1, 2, 3, go!
Finally, I completed, so let's begin to color. So now I have started coloring and I'm coloring its ear. By the way, if you like Pikachu, then don't forget to subscribe and also comment me your favorite Pokemon character. So here I'm adding yellow, 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 and then more yellow. Here I'm almost done with yellow and then soon I'll add details which will make it more pretty. Now here I'm giving it some highlights which will make it more attractive. Don't forget that where we have to add this orange color because if you mix it up then it won't look that much good, okay? I have a little request from you guys that please watch my video till end. It always helps a lot. And watch till end so you can see that how amazing it turned out. We're almost done. So let's move to another part. I'm making it cheeks pink and look how cute it is looking. Now I'm coloring the mouth red and also with dark red, and now I'm coloring the ears black. And if you use brush pens, then you must know that how satisfying it is to use brush pens. And now I'm almost done with it and look how amazing it turned out. And here's the final result. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and also comment me your favorite character in Pokemon. This is looking amazing. I couldn't believe that I made this. This is looking so amazing, yes. And here is it. And take care of yourself. Don't forget to comment. Once again, take care of yourself. Bye.